So the largest payout was last year, March, when the Corona crash. It was the largest payout at TCF was 27,000 US dollars.
Wow. Hello, what's up, people? It's Jeffrey Burns right here. Today, I'm going to be introducing Trader Central Funds to most of you guys. I know some of you guys must have known that, because the reason why I'm making this interview is because of high requests. Jeffrey, what if you interview Trader Central Funds? So that's have actually been a very highly requested video on my channel. All right, so today I'm bringing it to you guys. So I and the CEO we contacted, and he's unable to come on this interview, but he sent the next best person to come on this interview, and that's because he's working on some new big projects, and which is also going to be mentioned at this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and there's a link included in the description box. Use that link for discount code. All right, so you would want to go to the straight to the description box. You can follow them on all their social platform, and also make sure you follow my Instagram too, and the discount code is also there. Make sure you purchase with the discount code. All right, and one big thing I love about Trader Central Fund is they have all you covered, like any choice that you want to, whether you like it aggressive, whether you love it conservative, whether you love it rapid, everything they have it. If it's one-time fee you prefer, or you like monthly subscription, they have everything. So let me know what one thing that you love about Trader Central Fund in the comment section. So I'm also going to be looking around. I'm going to be giving a heart in the comment section. All right, let me know what you guys think about this Trader Central Fund. Hello, what's up, people? It's Jeffrey Benson right here, and today I'm making an interview for Trader Central Funds. So this is a company that have actually caught my attention over the months now, and I've been seeing them grow rapidly, and I thought of giving them a shout out in my channel. And I messaged the CEO. We get to talk sometime, and he said, okay, fine, why not come on my live YouTube? But they're really working on some great stuff, and trust me guys, you guys are definitely going to love it. And we currently have today one of the representatives.
What's happening, people? It's Louis here. I'm a quant at TC, Traders Central, that is. I'm going to represent Sean, our CEO. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Yeah.
Fantastic. So the first question that I've always wanted to ask you is, what is the number one thing that make you to start Trader Central Fund? Like, what is the thing that really inspired this whole idea of starting a proprietary firm as this?
So basically, we found that a lot of prop firms in the past were quite flawed. So we aim to solve that problem. Many prop firms had little communication with their users. They were slow to make changes or like to cater to different needs. And they offered like very little transparency. We also wanted to solve the problem of connecting traders to like investors, so like big investors, big banks or whatever. So yeah, we also wanted to solve the problem of connecting or capitalizing on the talent which exists in retail trading, because there's so much talent out there. Like you've got places in like Southeast Asia, Africa, all across Africa. We have places like South America. There's so much talent, but there's so little opportunity to retail trade. You have like very small amounts of capital, but so much talent. You know what I'm saying? So we also provide liquidity to over 75 different prop funds, which allows them to execute different orders. So these prop funds can be like trading schools, or they can be just your friend group or whatever. So this is through TC Capital. So TC Capital. And you can visit the website. We'll link it below when the video is finished. But yeah, this is why we started TCF. We think we could do some good business in this industry, you know.
Yeah, that's super fantastic. Trust me, it's fantastic. And there's one thing that I've really been seeing of recent. I've been seeing a lot of proprietary firms popping up. So what do you think is the future for proprietary firms?
That's a good question. Yeah. So so honestly, yeah, we can't say right now. But here at TCF, we're doing what's right to keep our products and make them better and better, and make sure that customers get the most value for their money. So like recently, like we do these competitions like in our like workplace, and like it's like to read a book as fast as you can and give the best ideas. Yeah. And like recently we read about Facebook Inside Story, and one of these good quotes, yeah, which kind of like encapsulates what TC is about, is we treat every problem like a system, every system can be better. No matter how good or bad something is, you can always make it better. Yeah.
Correct.
That is what we run by, and we're always willing to make that change to get better.
All right. So now I really want you guys to know that the first person that we reached out to is the CEO. The reason why the CEO is currently not around is because he said he has gone some commitment that he's currently working on. They are working on a new user interface, adding new options. So that's why he's sending the best representative, which is Louis that we have here. And so he has the best answer for you. He's answering just as the CEO would have. All right. So, and there's one more thing. Why do you think Traders Central Fund is better than a lot more other options that are out there? It's better than other competitions that we have there. Why? What is your unique proposition? What is it?
Let's get right into this. There's so many to say, I'm not going to lie, but first off, we provide live funded accounts when traders pass the evaluations. So I know a few prop firms out there, I'm not going to name them, but a lot of them, once you pass the evaluation stage, you get put on a demo account. You never actually trade real funds. But at TCF, you actually trade those real funds. Secondly, we have a strong trading community. So you can interact with many different traders, many different props, like many different, schools, trading schools. And we communicate with each other and share ideas. Thirdly, we were also the first prop fund in the industry to offer 80% profit share on our one-time fee plans.
That's fantastic.
So yeah, it's nice, very good, and it might get higher. We never know, but so yeah, we're also one of the only, well, pretty much the only firm out there which offers a tribrid funding model. Sounds weird, but there's 3 different ways you can get funded. It's a monthly subscription, one-time fee, or a beta plan, which uses like AI to evaluate how good your track record over 3 months is. So in that last plan, you don't actually need to pay anything to trade. As long as you've got a really good track record, you can start trading, and then we also have an easier capital growth plan. So if you make 10% on any account which is above $50,000, 50,000 US dollars, then you can get upgraded. And then lastly, but most importantly, guys, we have the best customer support in the industry. So we'll get back to your queries or problems or whenever, very fast, I'd say. And yeah, that's our priority there. And we're always upgrading that. So
yeah. Right, fantastic. So let's have a look at your website. Let's have a look at the website. I see it's a very responsive website that you guys have got, and it's very, very user-friendly, and I could just navigate easily. So I can see the first thing I see here is you guys have it's a hybrid, like people have tribrid funding model. That is, you can go with the monthly subscription one, or you could either decide to also go with the no payment needed, like the beta program. And also there's one more
one-time fee. Yeah,
that's a one-time fee. Yeah, I can't seem to figure that out. Where's that?
It's in the middle. It's in the middle somewhere.
Oh, okay. Yeah, one-time fee right here. So talking about this one first, let's go with this first one, the monthly subscription. Can you just give us a brief breakdown how it actually works?
So basically the monthly plan leverage is 1 to 3. So for every $1 you have, you can trade $3. There's 3 plans. There's the 12.5K, which is the basic plan. There is the 25K, which is the, I don't know what that plan's called, I forgot. But then there's the 50K plan, the elite plan. Yeah. We have a lot of traders on the 50K and the basic plan, which is the 12.5K.
And 440, right? 440 Canadian dollars, right?
Yeah.
440. And the profit share is up to 60%, correct?
Yeah. It's not like on the one-time fee. So the one-time fee, we have 80% profit split, but on the monthly plans, we have a 60% profit split.
Something that's really confusing to me right here is the trading hour. Like you mean 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. BST. Does it mean I cannot hold trade over the weekend or overnight? Is that what this one means?
Yeah. So trading hours means that you can place a trade within those times. So 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yeah. You can't place a trade like overnight in the Asian session, for example, but you can't hold trades on this account over the weekend as well. So if you go to the 25K, you'll see that you see that you won't be able to hold positions overnight, but on the 50K plan, you can hold positions overnight. The only difference here is that, or the only similarity between the two in that regard is that you can only plot a trade between 6 a.m. and 9 p.m.
Yeah.
And then you can't hold a trade over the weekend on those plans. But then let me just finish that. On a 12.5K plan, you can place a trade any time of the day, as well as holding trades over the weekend.
Okay.
So it says at the position holding at the bottom, you see.
Overnight and over the weekend. Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. So I believe that's clear right now. And the withdrawal target is 5%. So you can make 5% block withdrawal. That is on 50K. If you're able to make like $2,500, then you'll be eligible to make withdrawal, correct?
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. That makes a lot of sense. And the drawdown limit is 10%. Yeah, that's very fine. You can trade Forex and also trade gold. And just on MetaTrader 4, like, why don't you have other platforms like MT5 and CTrader?
Yeah, that's the thing. Like we can offer MT5. That's the thing. I think that needs to be updated on the website. But when you get a monthly sub plan, you'll get onto the MT5. And CTrader, we're working on it right now, I think.
Okay, fantastic. So let's move to the one-time fee. The one that has to do with one-time fee.
Yeah.
Wow, on this one-time fee, you pay once, you pass the test, and keep 80% of the profits. Like, this is the biggest in industry so far that I've seen. 80%. All right. So, and you've got the aggressive model, you've got the rapid evaluation, you've got the standard, you've also got the extensive. So can you just give a little breakdown of what all of these things mean?
Okay, so aggressive plan is kind of like makes sense. Basically, you have a leverage, the highest leverage, which is 1 to 100.
1 to 100. Oh, fantastic.
The trading period is 90 days, of course, and the profit target overall of the two stages is 15%. So I think you need to make 10% on the first stage and then 5% on the next stage.
Yeah.
On the rapid evaluation, you have, of course, a smaller leverage, but this is like we just introduced this today, yeah. But the evaluation takes you could do it in less than 20 or around 20 days.
All right.
So yeah, let me just see that. Yeah, so like minimum trading days.
Let me help you with this. Let me just do a quick breakdown with all of this one. So on the rapid one, they've got just 1 to 10 leverage, and the daily loss limits, no daily loss limits, no positive days return, no positive days rule, and the minimum trading days is 10, like, which is number one we are very, very used to. So the profit target is 5%, and this is mind blowing. On the first stage, the second stage, they have the same target. And that makes a lot of sense. So they have this one from $25,000 up to $100,000. And to get this, you have to pay 605 Canadian dollar, which is pretty cheap compared to other proprietary firm. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very fair. And they also have the standard evaluation. This is also 80% profit split, all of them. This is 10% profit target. Yeah.
Yep.
And it's got 90 days. So this one further help those who are complaining that they have a very good strategy, but they don't have enough time to complete it. Like, yes, with other proprietary firm, they always complain that, but I don't have enough time to complete. So they all have all the plan. They have the plan that suits everything. Now, here's the question I'm tempted to ask. Do you guys have, what is the largest payout that you have ever given? What's the largest payout? Let me stop sharing. I want to see this response.
So what was the question? What is the payout like?
Largest payout, yeah. Largest payout.
The largest payout. Oh, guys. So the largest payout was last year. March, when the corona crash, it was the largest payout at TCF was 27,000 US dollars.
Wow.
Amongst, yeah, it's crazy. This trading school did really well that time. Many people lost money that time, but some people just really knew how to see the market and made a killing. And then this year, the largest payout so far has been our guy Victor making 15K. This guy was crazy.
Wow.
This guy was crazy. Like the man made like he made 5% because the withdrawal target is 5%, right? He made it in a day. He was on the aggressive plan, but he made the 5% in a day, and then made another 10% over the next two. Like I don't know how it worked, but it was crazy. This guy went ham. So that he was our biggest withdrawal so far this year in 2021.
Right.
And I'm hoping we'll get maybe Jeffrey, you come on and
Yeah.
make a killing as well. Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. So for those guys who are really killing it, here's my message to you guys. So if you're Victor or you're the guy that makes 27,000 withdrawal, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. I definitely want to have 1 or 2 words with you guys. Like, fantastic.
Well, matter of fact, we have an interview with Victor. You can see it on our YouTube channel. He
Okay.
withdrew a Bitcoin and PayPal. That's it.
Oh,
Many
fantastic.
different types of withdrawal. Yeah.
Go check that video out. I'm also going to be linking that video in the description box just in case you want to see how that turns out, guys. That's massive. That's massive. Like trading with all of these rules and making 27,000 in just 1 month. That's respect, bro. So
Yeah.
okay, with that said, I also want to ask this question that's really been a thing. A lot of people have always been asking me, like, why is it that the customer support of proprietary firm are not so good? Like, they don't have it always instant. Like, is your company also like that?
Well, so like we try our best to get it instant, because basically you may see in like the group chats that some people have queries and stuff. We always address them. It's because in our fund we have like Canadian times, so we open at I forgot the times, but you'll see it in like the website at the bottom. But with other funds, I don't know why they don't have as good as customer service. Prop fund should have good customer service always, I swear, but like I don't know why they didn't.
All right. So
Yeah.
fantastic. So far, I tried. I actually did try yours, and it was more responsive, more faster than every other one that I've tried. Okay, that's kudos to TradersCentralFund. All right. So one more question I have, which I also find wanting in most proprietary firms, is: do your company have statistical apps, your account metrics software, so that I can track my progress and know how better of a trader I am? Even though I fail, let me know how far I'm doing. Do your company have that?
Yeah, 100%. So right now we're using FX Blue, but like over the next few days, we're going to update the system, and we're going to introduce this new tracking software called Bagley. It uses AI to like help us understand where you are in your trading journey. We'll put it in the user dashboard, so client area, and we'll allow traders to use Bagley, the AI, to track their progress more easily and with higher precision. Yeah.
That's fantastic. Like, talking about AIs and talking about softwares and everything, automation, do you guys allow EAs and copy trading? Let's say, for example, I've got 200K account. I want to be able to mirror from 100K to the other one. Do you guys allow that?
Yeah, so that's a thing. We do allow that. We allow EAs and copy traders on the one-time fee plans. However, we don't allow obviously hedging or martingale, because we find these traders who use hedging and martingale to be like kind of excessive risk. So that's different. However, on the monthly plans, so the rules slightly differ. We allow EAs and copy traders, but that's as long as they're on a TC master account. So if you're a prop fund and you have a monthly subscription plan, and you are like the master of, you have this, like, you're master of the fund in it, you can put a EA and copy trader, and then copy your trades that you made on the TC account to other accounts, if you know what I mean. So that's the difference.
All right. So, like, I just want to ask again, because I'm really concerned about the future of proprietary firm. What do you think is the future of proprietary firm? Like, here's the thing. Here's what I'm thinking. You know, I have this sort of idea that a time will definitely come where we'll have proprietary firm no longer testing people. They just give out money for people to trade. They just have a better way of selecting those traders. What do you think is the future? Do you think there's more to all of these things? Do you think I'm wrong?
No, I don't think you're wrong. Like, I think, like, just like look at like how the industry is moving right now, and you'll see that like more like things are becoming more and more affordable for people. And like as things become more affordable, people will start to realize that, why am I risking my own money? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think it's bound to grow. And yeah. So from the 25th to the 31st, sometime like that, or 25th to the 30th, sorry, of every month. Withdrawals can take very fast, to be honest. We get withdrawals being processed within 2 or 3 hours sometimes, And then in terms of withdrawal methods, you can do it through your local currency, like Skrill, PayPal. You can do it through Bitcoin. I think we're going to offer other cryptocurrencies in the future because we're working on that TC
Yeah.
crypto, like Sean said. So that's soon come. And yeah,
Right.
we've got many different withdrawal methods. They're all on the website as well, so you can check that out.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So can you give us like hints, talking about what you guys are working on? Can you give us hints of what you guys are working on, what we should expect that shouldn't be present in other proprietary firm? Like what are you guys currently working on? Is there any hints that we should be anticipating?
So right now,
yeah,
I'm gonna spoil some stuff for you lot, but we're working on obviously TC crypto. So we're moving into the crypto market. We're gonna allow traders to withdraw their money in many different types of like crypto. We can allow even normal people to just buy and sell crypto. And that's one of the biggest things that is coming up
wow, that's
over the next
fantastic.
few weeks.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic.
Yeah,
Guys, just as you already heard him, cryptocurrency is going really wild, and Trader Central Fund, they are breaking that news first in this channel. So everything new happened first in this channel. So you guys make sure you sit tight, just as you have it in Binance. They're about to bring that all in. So you can have fund in your account with crypto, right? You can have fun with crypto and all of those things. So guys, you guys have really been asking for cryptocurrency funding. Now they have everything. They are working on it. So just know that the right fund to be with is Trader Central Fund. All right. So you guys make sure you stick around and make sure you guys follow that. Then do we have a discount code? Do you have a discount code?
Yeah, I think so. We'll definitely, I don't know, like off the top of my head, I think it applies automatically to your purchase.
Okay.
But I think yeah, it applies automatically. Don't worry about it. And we can sort something out with you, Jeff. Like,
all right, thanks. That's fantastic. So for this guys on the Firepick channel, be sure that you're definitely going to be getting a discount code. Use the link in the description box for you to get a discount code, and that's going to mean that you're going to be paying lesser because you are seeing this video right now. So you guys make sure you stay cool and just have fun, guys, and keep it cool. Keep your risk lower, and trust me, this is the best time to be a forex trader because there are many opportunities coming out. We are getting noticed all over the world, and people everywhere really believing in what we do. All right, guys. So keep it cool, and I want you to give your final word and your remark in this interview.
Yeah, take care, everyone. I just want to say TCF is an entity which is to distribute the wealth of the markets to those who are least able to access it. So if you're in like Africa, for example, I know some like African banks don't allow like so much lending for trading. We aim to solve that problem. We aim to bring the markets to you and for you to become crazy people, like really good.
Yeah, great. Thank you very much, guys. And remember to subscribe, turn on post notification, and also share this interview with friends and loved ones so that you can change life all together. All right, bye for now, guys, and see you in the next episode. Bye.